Recently, I have been distracted, wasted my time instead of doing anything constructive. I have spent hours wishing for the willpower to be more productive. But it made me think about how I created this standard or expectancy for myself. How I just limited myself about what I can do or can't do. What makes me even sadder about it is that no one else was telling me that. It was me who was telling myself that. And I know that this isn't just me, it's everyone who's been on their creative journey. Almost, I think. It made me realize that if it's me who's doing that, then I can also pull myself out of it. I can hit the rock bottom and paint what's on the bottom. I can paint something bad. I can make a bad video and post it. These are some of the bad or abandoned paintings that I have made recently. And I think it's okay. I think it's fine. So I'll paint. Even if the creation is not even close to the overwhelming, awe-inspiring thing that I saw in my head, I'll paint. Even if I feel like I'm not good enough or I'm not talented enough. Most importantly, I need to remember that all of this discontentment, all of this self-doubt, this doesn't mean that I should quit or anything negative. This means I am onto something. You are allowed to make bad paintings. Beethoven said, and I quote, "The true artist is not proud. He unfortunately sees that art has no limits. He feels darkly how far he is from the goal. And though he may be admired by others, he is sad not to have reached that point to which his better genius only appears as a distant guiding sun."